These are so cute. You trying to tell me these not cute? Look at this. These are so cute. So these are $5. Look at the bunny legs, honey. It's the legs for me. I love this. Absolutely gorgeous for your little ones. Love this. Peace family. So listen, if you guys are looking for this, I could not believe Dollar Tree has these in different colors. Check this out. So it is the Glee Kids headphones. So the other day, my oldest son brought these for my youngest daughter, his sister. But Dollar Tree also have these. These are so cute. So these are $5 now. They also have the volume limited, max volume 850 dB. These are really, really amazing. So these are so cute. So Dollar Tree has the adult tutus L. Ooh, how cute are these? And about 3 different colors. They have that pink one. They also have the red one. And then they also have this this dark pink. These are absolutely gorgeous. 25-cent items. Okay, this is a makeup beauty blender holder. You want a fancy item? Check this out. Tell you, you better get to your nearest Dollar Tree and check these items out. Oh, child, you are going to be in for a treat. Name brand items at Dollar Tree. Wet and Well. You remember Dollar Tree used to carry Wet and Well back in the day? Honey, that was before my time. I mean, I wasn't coming to Dollar Tree, but I heard through the grapevine. Now, this color is nice. This is $1.25. Ain't got to think twice. They also have this one. Ooh, isn't she fancy? Isn't she gorgeous? $1.25. When I tell you Dollar Tree has so many amazing items, did you guys see this? Not them bringing out the Dunkin' Donuts doopity doop. Now, this is donut calf and classic blend gourmet coffee, 18 cups, and these are $5. But honey, 18 cups though. Now, look at this. Lucky Cookie. Dollar Tree has the Axe pocket spray. Now, pocket spray fragrance, instant fresh, 250 sprays. Child, when I tell you, they ain't doing nothing but just showing all out. Family, so you looking for decor items, right? You want to see the fancy pantsy mancy items at Dollar Tree. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree in Maryland. Look at these items. They have these fancy wall hooks over here, the butterflies. These are so cute. They also have these hearts over here, decor. These are nice. These flowers, oh my goodness, they are so gorgeous. My fave is definitely these with the little tassel at the bottom. They also have some more decor over here. Really gorgeous. And oh my goodness, looky cookie. Really fancy. Okay, family, so if you guys are looking for some fancy headbands, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Looky cookie. They have the Smurf Spa headbands. They also have SpongeBob headbands. These are really cute. Love this. These are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the scalp massager. Oh, yes. Honey, I feel like this is really the gift that just keeps on giving every single day. Look at that. Now, Dollar Tree has the Extra Care Body Scrub Bump Eraser, safe for sensitive skin, scrubs away dry, rough bumps to reveal healthier looking skin. $1.25. Name brand spring colors, and they do have some fall colors. These are cute. Ouchless. Oh, I like these satin skinny scrunchies. These are $1.25. You get 4 of these. These are really gorgeous. Looking for new accessories for your little one? Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have the headbands that comes in 2 different colors. They come in this brown looking, and then they also have this white. They have so many gorgeous hair accessories when it comes to the Sophie. They also have these as well. Love these claw clips. Very fashionable. Love this. You looking for makeup palettes? Oh yes, Dollar Tree has them. This definitely puts me in a mind of like 70s theme, okay? These are $1.25. They have different colors, different shades. Check out. So these are pretty much the palette colors that Dollar Tree has. Okay, Dollar Tree. Now, is this my cup of tea? Not really. I mean, it's giving really 70 themes for me. I mean, it looks okay. It looks okay for $1.25, honey. Okay? Now, honey, let me tell you something. If you're looking for makeup removal wipes, they have so many different ones. They have the cucumber extract ones. You get 25 of these. They also have the coconut ones, 25 as well. They also have the swipe wipes. Now, I believe this is like Joe Boxer wipes. Maybe they just changed the name. These are $1.25. You get 30 for $1.25. The detoxifying ones, $1.25 for 30. Now, if you guys are looking for makeup remover pads, Dollar Tree is definitely out here spilling all the tea. Okay, they have the reusable makeup remover pads from Skin to Mid 2-pack, and it's definitely giving Easter colors. It definitely. Alright, family, so if you guys are looking for a heat-resistant mat, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. They have the black one, they also have the purple, and then they also have the pink. These are $1.25. Love these. Now, Dollar Tree also have the cold sore healing patches. You get 12 of these for $1.25. So Dollar Tree also have the copper care for hands 2-pack adult 1 size fits all, and then they also have the copper care for knee 1-pack adult. Honey, Dollar Tree is like Walgreens, Walmart. I mean, they just everything. So I heard you guys was looking for men's boxer briefs. Okay, yes, Dollar Tree has them. They have the double bubble, Popeye, the Tootsie Rolls, men's boxer briefs, the blow pops, another Tootsie Roll. You remember back in the day, they had that commercial with the owl, and it was say, how many licks do it take to get to the center of the Tootsie Pops? You remember that? Let me know in the comment section. If you don't remember that, honey, maybe you too young. I'm not going to begin to tell you that Dollar Tree has, I mean, so many items. It is not funny. Really, really good. For $1.50, you can't beat that. Look at that. So Dollar Tree has these ladies long sleeve tees, okay, $1.50. I mean, that is just heaven sent. Now, they come in white. They also have the black ones. And then they also have these lady t-shirts over here as well. And then the tank tops. These are nice. Now, I know Dollar Tree must be had this out all year, because I know they ain't doing back to school items now. Come on, Dollar Tree. Now, I was with you with the Valentines and Easter and spring items, but come on now, back to school items. All right, lovely folks. Remember the Pompons stem. Now, Dollar Tree has these. These are gorgeous. Now, they were $5, but I think Dollar Tree changed the price on these because they have a red sticker on these blocking the $5. Maybe they 25 cents. Honey, I don't know. I said maybe. Now, Dollar Tree also have these Yoga Blast. Now, this is a dairy drink with natural strawberry flavors. Tastes so good. These are $1.50. Now, another hot item that Dollar Tree has is the folks turf table runners. These are so cute, like the fake grass. These are $7. Love this. So Dollar Tree also have the coloring cups, Easter coloring cups, doolies. These are $1.25. Colors dozens of eggs, 5 coloring cups, 5 coloring tablets, 1 egg dipper, tablet totu, and it tells you the weight. Really, really cool. And this is pretty much the colors that they have. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Easter decor over here. They also have the glitter drapes. Love this. And these are cute as well. So this is the metal bird houses. How fancy and gorgeous are these? These are absolutely divine, right on time. So another hot item Dollar Tree has is the LED flow USB Type-C cables. This is a max charge. It goes up to 6 feet. Love this. They also have the neon 15 function wireless 12-foot LED strip with remote control. These are $5. So gorgeous folks, if you guys are looking for some hand sanitizer, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. Now these are apple scented, watermelon scented, and then they also have lemon scented. Love these. $1.25. Hey, so remember this, menstrual heat patches. So Dollar Tree has the menstrual heat patches, and I did try this months ago, okay? It's discreet heat therapy, soothe and relieves, easy to apply. This was okay to me. I mean, it did work. You do feel a heat sensation through the pad, so it's okay. It's odorless. You get one patch for $1.25 from Be Pure. All right, so it appears that Dollar Tree has new dishcloths. All right, let me know in the comments section, because I don't recall them having these, or unless they just changed the, the packaging over here. But you get two dishcloths for $1.50. Honey, try to tell me they ain't trying to come through the way they do. So for Valentine's Day, Dollar Tree has the Jolly Ranchers Lollipops. You get 20 of these for $4. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Love this. All right, family. So listen, they have so many amazing items in Dollar Tree. I mean, like the candles, absolutely amazing. And then also those headphones, they definitely was all that in a bag of chips. Remember that? All that in a bag of chips. All right, so let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite item that you seen, and also what are some of the items that you guys are definitely on the lookout for. Maybe you didn't see it yet, okay? I'm always going to bring you the steal deals like Holyfield. And with that being said, make sure you're rocking out, believing in yourself, keep going and keep growing, okay, Joe Flow? With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.